What is a walkthrough? Well, today we're going to take you through a walkthrough so you make sure the house that you're purchasing is in good order before closing. Hi, I am Dianna Howell with the Howell Group at Keller Williams. I am your realtor here in Birmingham, Alabama. Today we're going to do a walkthrough prior to closing, so let's get started. I'm going to show you what to look for to make sure your home is ready to go before you sign on the dotted line. All right, so today we're going to come into the kitchen first. One of the first things you want to do is just start the dishwasher. And that's pretty simple. Just turn it on. We just want to make sure this dishwasher is working. And so that should run its cycle while you're doing the rest of your walkthrough through the house. Another thing you want to do is you want to go into the kitchen, all the bathrooms. You want to run the water. You want to make sure that you've got good hot water and that hot water heater is working. So leave it running for a few minutes. And when you get through and you turn the water off, check underneath to make sure there's no leaks. Another thing that you want to do is, this stove is a gas stove, so turn on all the burners. Make sure they're working. You can turn the stove on, each burner, and then you can also turn the oven on. Make sure that oven's going to heat up for you. So go through and check all your burners and make sure they're working. If the refrigerator is left in the house, go to the refrigerator, make sure it's cooling, see if there's ice in the ice tray in the freezer, and make sure that is also working. So you have checked the kitchen and made sure the appliances are working correctly, the water is running, you're getting hot water. So the next thing you can do is check your electrical outlets. And an easy way to do this is to your walkthrough, bring a hairdryer. And all you're going to do is just plug this hairdryer in your electrical outlet, make sure you're getting power and it's working. Many times I hear after they've moved into the house that an electrical outlet's not working. So this is just an easy way to go through and check everything. So if your new home has a fireplace, you might want to check the fireplace. Prior to your closing, you'll also have a home inspection. So you can opt in to have a chimney sweeper come in and check the fireplace and make sure the flue is in good condition and your logs are in good condition if they're gas. So if it's wintertime, the gas is probably on and you can turn the fireplace on and make sure that you're getting a good flame and the fireplace is working properly. Of course, if it's wood fireplace, you just want to make sure you have that chimney inspected and it's in good working order. So once you've gone inside and you've checked everything in the house and everything is working properly for you, come outside of the house and make sure you do a complete walk around. Check the outside, the perimeter, you can even check the fencing to make sure it's still in good shape, and then come back and check your water spigots. Turn them on and off. Make sure they're not leaking and they're working properly. Once you've completed your walkthrough on the inside, you've checked the outside, you should also have requested any receipts from repairs that you requested to have the seller make from the home inspection. Make sure those repairs are done to your satisfaction. This is your final walkthrough before going to closing. Once you sign on that dotted line, this home is now yours. Your realtor may ask you to sign a pre-inspection addendum, and what that means is that you have inspected this home prior to going to closing and you accept the home as is in the condition that you last saw it. Thank you for watching. We have attached a PDF with an inspection checklist for you. Be sure and download it so when you go through your walkthrough, you've got a checklist in front of you to make sure you're checking everything in the home. We post new videos every Wednesday. Please like and share, and we will see you next Wednesday.